Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. In my last video, I talked about how to organize your radio gear that you have all over the car, the so-called radio gear all over your car syndrome. But there was one issue that I didn't address in that I'm going to address now, because I've finally received the solution to keeping my hamsticks organized. And I don't have a lot of hamsticks. I got a 20 meter, 17 meter, 15 meter, and 10 meters. I got 4 hamsticks. But this solution allows me to expand upon it and add more hamsticks as needed. So let's go outside the car and take a look at my solution. And you might think this is a bag for something completely different, but this is one of those fishing pole bags that you just wrap around with rooms for a lot of fishing poles. So let's open it up and I'm going to show you how easy I can mount a hamstick on top of the car. And that's how easy it's to find the right hamstick, put it on top of the car. Now I'm going to do a little bit of POTA. Not going to show you the entire POTA, but I'll be back and show you how to dismantle the antenna, pack everything up, and get it back in the car, and we'll discuss how well the system works. Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima. Finally a strong station. 5 and 8 on 5 and 8. Over.
Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie, 5 and 8 both calls there, Roger.
Roger, Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie, 5 and 8 on that as well, thank you. And conditions they don't seem good today, over.
No, very bad, very bad, but good over the distance between you and I.
And that was the worst activation I've had in ages on Parks on the Air. Nonetheless, the QSO you heard with Don, Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima, was the only 5 and 9 I'd had. But this isn't about a Parks on the Air activation, though. It's about the hamstick storage solution. So let's dismount the hamstick, get back in the car, and discuss the pros and cons of this solution. So that's my storage solution for hamsticks. Simple fishing pole bag, ordered from Temu. I am sure you can get them on Amazon, on eBay, on AliExpress, or in your local sporting goods store. My reason for getting this from Temu was because my wife was ordering some stuff from there and I just tagged along. But no need to do that if you get it near you. But I want to hear, what's your solution to storing hamsticks in your car? Do you use just straps? Do you use a pipe? Do you use my previous method, just having them all around the back seat? Let me know down in the comments. And while you're commenting, click that like button. Subscribe if you want to get notified of new videos. And there are a couple of ways down below to support the channel too, just in order to help me run the channel. This fishing pole bag was bought entirely by your support for watching my videos and for being channel members. So you supporting me lets me buy stuff and test it and see if this is something for you, or if it's not for you. Might as well be, I bought this so you don't have to. But this fishing pole bag, I bought this so you can buy one yourself, because this is a mighty good way of storing hamsticks. So that's it for now. Hope to see you later. Until next time, 7-3.